Hi, I'm Leif from LeifLabs.org. I'm going to tell you what my thing is all about. Here's Tater. I was the Trash Magic Manifesto. Here's a big pile of trash. So I take a big pile of trash, more trash. There's a whole lot of trash there. And then I turn it into geometry using Action Geometry. This is the art box, Action Geometry, the tools of classical geometry. I go through here, there's lots of geometry. I make all the different basic components that are going to be used to construct the more complex system out of kind of classical geometric shapes, and then I can use hammer and chisel to chisel brick and make geometry in the brick, and I can take big pieces of plastic, make geometry in that too. And then here's an icosahedron made out of cardboard, and here's octahedra that are used for structural supports of various kinds. Simple, modular. That's my fastener there with the rubber bands, and then there's a dodecahedron box, and I make electronics on this hot plate made out of trash, and here's a tetrahedron rotor, which there is this trash rotor. It's how we're going to generate electricity later. And then this is what I'm calling the Ion Magic Probe. It uses the Arduino and some capacitors, some probes. I'm measuring coffee here. I just pulse the voltage and see what the response of the coffee is. It's nonlinear. Here's a motor with feedback. I got a drive coil and a pickup coil, and you get some feedback. You can make a lot of different things with this. That's part of the system, and runs off a USB. There's my tetrahedron made out of wood with all my USB power stuff on it. Totally modular. We've got joints made out of tensegrity kind of deal there, and this is one of the other motor drivers. This one's made into a stick. I also use sticks for some of the electronics, and this is the Trashophone. It amplifies magnetic field oscillations, and this is a rotational motor that is driven by the same exact drivers as the vibrational ones. And here's another motor combination with another Trashophone.